Welcome to class. Let us look at this interesting math question, and it reads here that the square root of a raised to 7 equals k, the square root of a, where k equals a raised to n, find n. This is just very simple, so all we just need to do is to apply the laws of indices or exponents. Then we evaluate for k, and through that we get the value of n. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do here is to divide the equation by the square root of a. So the square root of a all raised to 7 then equals k, the square root of a. And when we divide through by the square root of a, then we can clear off this. Now take note that the square root of a, or let's say the square root of x, in terms of exponent is x raised to 1 over 2. And that also implies, if we apply this rule both this at this point here, we end up having a raised to 1 over 2 all raised to 7 all over a raised to 1 over 2 all equals to k. Alright, so by the laws of indices, all we just need to do is to multiply this exponent. Okay, by doing that, we then have a raised to 7 over 2, then all over a raised to 1 over 2. Take note, all equals to k. And let us also recall that according to the law of indices, that when you have a raised to m all over a raised to n, now this gives us a raised to m minus n. Okay, if you apply this rule here, then we have a raised to 7 all over 2 minus 1 over 2, okay, then equals k. Alright, and we know that when we simplify this gives us 6 over 2. How? 7 over 2 minus 1 over 2. Now because we have the same denominator, we can just pick one. Then 7 minus 1, this gives us what? 6 over 2. This giving us what? 3. So here we then have that a raised to 3 then equals k. And let us recall that from the question, k equals a raised to n. So we can just clear off this k and replace it with a raised to n. And since we have a as the base for both sides of the equation, we can just equate the exponent, which implies that n equals 3. And this is the final answer. Please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.